We don't speak much, we don't need to. The way it explains itself. Every scar has a history, every silence carries respect. We stood in the same race, carried the same load, learned when to push and when to hold. No promises spoken, no words to prove, just knowing who stands when the pressure moves. Side by side, step in time, no one ahead, no one behind. We carry each other without a sound. When one slows, the rest close around. Brotherhood, forged in effort. Brotherhood, built in strength, not by blood, but by staying when it's heavy, when it rains. We've trained in the dark, we move without praise, learn discipline over easier ways. Trust isn't given, it's earned and kept in every moment. We didn't step away. Side by side, still aligned, same direction, same line. Brotherhood in the silence, brotherhood in the grind. No speeches, no crowd, just presence that holds the ground. If one falls, another lives. If one doubts, another insists. We don't break formation, we don't scatter or run. What we start together gets finished as one. Brotherhood under pressure.